The dynamic crevice sampling system, it allows us to study what the chemistry in cylinder is, and the primary reason it was designed was to study low-speed pre-ignition.
Low-speed pre-ignition is the random, fairly unpredictable pre-ignition of the fuel-air mixture in the cylinder of a turbocharged engine.
It occurs whenever the fuel-air mixture prematurely ignites, so before your ignition timing, and this results in a very, very severe knock event. This is a phenomenon that can damage and destroy engines, and it's believed that part of the mechanism is caused by the material that's in the piston crevice.
Engine oils are very, very highly designed. They've got hundreds of different chemicals in them, different additives, keeping the oil clean, keeping the engine surfaces clean, neutralizing acids. A lot of different things go on in an engine oil. So the hope is, if we can identify the chemical pathway through which you go from a fuel and a lubricant separately to these compounds that we're detecting now with our dynamic crevice sampling system, we can come up with things that we can put into the oil, different chemicals, that can interrupt those pathways and prevent the formation of the chemicals that cause the low-speed pre-ignition problem.
I want to say this system it's new and unique. It doesn't replace any existing system. It fills its own niche, and it's going to help push the current limits of what we currently understand as engine design, and also understand the chemical processes in cylinder to better formulate oils.
With a system that can open very quickly at any time during the engine cycle, we can take samples of the gas whenever we want to. And then we can analyze that gas and understand what chemicals are in it. You know, it's not just understanding the low-speed pre-ignition mechanism. This device can be used for many other purposes. And again, the key is that you can sample from a relatively short time period, allowing you to freeze certain chemistries and understand exactly what is happening in the engine at exactly that time step. So the big problem with low-speed pre-ignition is that it can prevent us from further downsizing the engines, further boosting them, and kind of get in the way of that technology solution to a better fuel economy.
Gaining insight with our crevice sampling system is going to help them solve what does their engine design need to look like. It's going to help the formulators for oil understand what do we need to do to make our oil perform well.
You know, with this dynamic crevice sampling system, if we can get control over low-speed pre-ignition, then it might allow us to further improve the efficiency of the engine, not by doubling it or tripling it, which is theoretically impossible, but by a few percentage points. However, if you multiply those percentage points out over every vehicle in America and however much fuel they use, it turns out to be a tremendous amount of petroleum that we could potentially save.